Imagine a world where 85% of all customer interactions are handled without a human. Well, that's not a sci-fi movie plot, it's our reality today. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been steadily seeping into our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. When you're shopping online and you get a recommendation, that's AI. Or when you're chatting with a customer service bot, that's AI too. It's become an integral part of our routine, helping to streamline tasks and provide us with personalized experiences. Now let's dive a bit deeper. Have you ever heard of generative AI? It's a type of AI that can create content, like a song, a piece of art, or even a conversation. Think of it as a creative AI, one that can generate new and unique outputs based on the data it's been fed. But what if you could have a personal AI assistant right at your fingertips, ready to assist you with anything you need? That's where ChatGPT comes in. Imagine having an assistant that never sleeps, never tires, and can handle an infinite number of tasks simultaneously. That's the power of generative AI. This miraculous technology can dramatically increase your productivity. It can handle vast amounts of data with lightning speed, making it perfect for tasks such as drafting emails, scheduling meetings, or even researching topics online. And the accuracy? Simply impeccable. Generative AI reduces the margin of error, providing a precise and efficient solution to your everyday tasks. Now let's consider ChatGPT, a language model developed by OpenAI. Think of it as your own personal assistant. It can help you with a variety of tasks, from drafting articulate emails to answering complex questions. It's like having a knowledgeable companion at your fingertips, ready to assist you anytime, anywhere. The power of AI is not just for tech giants. Anyone can harness it to improve their daily life. Ready to embrace the future and start using AI? Here's how you can get started with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a revolutionary generative language model powered by OpenAI. It's as easy as pie to sign up. Just head over to the OpenAI website, create an account, and you're ready to dive into the world of AI. ChatGPT has a wide variety of applications. From drafting emails and writing articles to brainstorming ideas and even learning a new language, the possibilities are endless. Here's a tip: be clear and detailed in your prompts to get the best results. The more information you provide, the better ChatGPT can assist you. But that's not all. ChatGPT continually learns and improves. The more you use it, the better it gets. It's like having your personal AI assistant that grows with you. Remember, the future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create. Start creating your future today with ChatGPT.